Are you looking for the best dark paints in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best dark paints that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, UV Glow Blacklight Face and Body Paint. This set of neon body paint comes in 6 stunning shades. Vibrant hues like orange, yellow and red along with some fluorescent pink, green and blue. Whether you dress up as a skeleton in Halloween or deck up for a rave party, your phosphorescent body art has to be the talk of the town. It is suitable to use this paint set at any time of the day or night. No barriers in the way of your fun. The best thing about this paint is that it dries quickly, so you will have no trouble applying it. At number 4, Tulip Glow Fabric Paint. Get creative, start flaunting unique designs in the next happening gathering. Do not worry if creating patterns is not your greatest strength. Tulip has got you covered in that area. You are just a few clicks away from a whole bunch of fresh ideas. All that you got to do is visit ilovetocreate.com and manage a pack of glow fabric paint. If you are being cautious as it is your first time, then you can always opt for the double or triple color pack. However, if you are a pro, then the 6 color set must be your choice. Handling these colors is a child's play as these are sold in squeeze containers that consist of a sleek nozzle. Simply press and release the paint into whatever shape or figure that you want. At number 3, Midnight Glow UV Neon Face and Body Paint Glow Kit. What are you waiting for? Make heads turn in any party with these cool UV neon paints from Midnight Glow. Oh no, do not worry about harmful chemicals or pungent fumes because this product is totally skin-friendly. Zero risks to your delicate skin. You have a variety of hues in this paint set, ranging from orange, red, pink to white, green and blue. This neon palette will beautifully illuminate any part of your body that is painted with these. What's more, it is equally easy to clean up afterward. Use it in the day or at night, in short, anytime you wish. All you need is a UV lit background. At number 2, SpaceBeams Glow in the Dark Paint. 2 glow-in-the-dark colors from SpaceBeams that spell extraordinary, even magical. Aquaris and Aurora being the names, these can be applied on a variety of surfaces, both inside the house and outside. Disregarding the fact that the surface is wooden, metallic, glass, plastic or even fabric, it is compatible with all. The top quality of pigments used in making this paint promise a smooth radiance for the entire night, and that too, with a minimal charge from any natural or artificial source. The bonus is that you get charge-free usage of VIP stencils for transforming the look of your home. At number 1, Neon Nights UV Body Paint. One of the most popular glow-in-the-dark body paints across continents, this one is really special. Originally from Germany, this set of UV body paint is handmade with a lot of care. An excellent and rainbow-hued collection to choose from, you can get the color that suits you most. Name a color and it is there. You are sure to have a hard time choosing, what with every color being so special. All you need to do is to use this body paint under UV or black lights for getting the neon glow. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.